Systweak PDF Editor OCR Review Simple, Powerful, Productive. The OCR tab. The OCR tab focuses on optical character recognition features, including Perform OCR, converts scanned PDFs or images into editable and searchable text. Scan to PDF, scans physical documents directly into PDF format. Batch OCR, performs OCR on multiple files simultaneously. OCR options, adjusts orientation and script detection setting. To get the best out of Systweak PDF Editor, you need to upgrade to the premium version. You can do this by simply clicking the Upgrade button. You have the option of choosing either a monthly subscription plan or a lifetime plan, where you pay only once and use Systweak PDF Editor forever. Sounds too good to be true? Well, that is absolutely true. Since I already have a license, I will simply return to the software, click I already purchased, and then select Activate Now. After entering the license key, a congratulatory message immediately appears saying, "Thanks for registering." Now, let us perform OCR on an image. If this is your first time using the OCR feature, Systweak PDF Editor will automatically download the files required to perform OCR. If you would like to purchase Systweak PDF Editor, whether through the subscription plan or the lifetime plan, where you pay once and own it forever, please consider using the link provided in the description box below. Your support through that link would be greatly appreciated and help support the channel at no additional cost to you. Once the Image to OCR dialog box opens, you will have the option to convert the image into several file formats. First, browse for the image you want to convert. Once you find it, select it and click Import. After the file has been attached, click OCR Now to begin the conversion process. When the conversion is complete, click Open Folder to browse to the saved location. Select the converted file and open it. To edit the document, go to the Edit tab and click Add Text. Instantly, the text becomes editable. For example, let us change the word ordinary to normal. You can also navigate through the document and remove unnecessary punctuation marks or make other corrections as needed. If some text is not recognized correctly, you can run OCR again or use a clearer image. OCR generally performs better on simple, high-quality images than on complex or low-resolution ones. Next, let us perform OCR on a PDF document. Browse for the PDF file, select it, and open it. Once the PDF has loaded, click OCR to PDF. Leave the conversion mode set to PDF, and then click Perform OCR. After the OCR process is complete, navigate to the Edit tab and click Add Text. Immediately, the text becomes editable. You can now modify the content on the PDF page just like a regular document. However, always be mindful of copyright laws and plagiarism. Ensure that you have the legal right or permission to edit and use the content. This tutorial is intended for educational purposes only. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe, and be sure to hit the notification bell so you never miss any of our future tutorials. Your engagement gives us the motivation and encouragement to create even more valuable content for you. Thank you for your support and for being part of the TechTricksGh community. TechTricksGh, teaching tricks and techniques in IT and design. Click the OCR tab and, from the available commands, select Scan to PDF. In the dialog box that appears, choose the scanner you would like to use and click Scan. Another window will open, allowing you to preview the document before scanning. Click Preview to see how the scanned document will appear. For better contrast and text recognition, let's select black and white as the scan mode and preview the document again. Once you are satisfied with the preview, click Scan. After the document opens in Systweak PDF Editor, click OCR to PDF. If prompted to save the current file, click OK. Leave the conversion mode set to PDF, then click Perform OCR. Once the OCR process is complete, navigate to the Edit tab and click Add Text. Instantly, the scanned content becomes editable. You can now modify the text just like a regular document. However, please be mindful of copyright laws and plagiarism. Ensure that you have the legal right or permission to edit the content. This tutorial is intended for educational purposes only. Let's make a few simple edits to experience the power of Systweak PDF Editor. First, let's change the word classroom to church. After editing the text, navigate to the right-hand panel under Text Properties and change the font style to bold so that it matches the formatting of the scanned text. Next, scroll down to the subheading Patience. Add additional text to change it to Patience is the key. Now, let's move to the left side of the page and insert the words opens doors so that the phrase reads Sincerity opens doors. As you can see, Systweak PDF Editor makes it quick and easy to edit scanned documents while preserving their original appearance. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe, and be sure to hit the notification bell so you never miss any of our future tutorials. Your engagement gives us the motivation and encouragement to create even more valuable content for you. Thank you for your support and for being part of the TechTricksGh community. TechTricksGh, teaching tricks and techniques in IT and design. On the OCR tab, click Scan to PDF. In the Insert from Scanner dialog box, select your scanner and click Scan. A scanner settings window will appear. Select the black and white option, then click Preview to see how the scanned document will look. Once you are satisfied with the preview, click Scan. The document will open automatically in Systweak PDF Editor. Next, click OCR to PDF. Leave the conversion mode set to PDF, then click Perform OCR. When the OCR process is complete, navigate to the Edit tab and click Add Text. Instantly, all the recognized text becomes editable, allowing you to make changes to the document with ease. OCR feature review: simple, powerful, productive. Strengths of OCR. Fast OCR processing offers fast OCR processing. Offline OCR support supports OCR without an internet connection. High accuracy recognition delivers good text recognition on clear documents. Batch OCR support processes multiple files at once. Weaknesses of OCR. OCR performance may decline when scans are blurry or low quality. Handwriting recognition is limited, may not always be accurate. Complex document layouts can create errors. Recognition accuracy may be affected. Some files may require manual corrections. Additional editing may be needed after conversion. OCR strengths versus weaknesses. Strengths outweigh limitations. OCR generally provides more benefits than drawbacks. Speed, convenience, and accuracy. Enhances productivity and document handling. Challenges with poor scans and complex layouts. Performance may vary in difficult conditions. Valuable productivity tool, remains highly useful for everyday tasks. Reliable on quality documents, performs well on clean, high-quality files. Fast, accurate, and easy to use. Delivers efficient OCR performance. Beneficial for all users. Useful for students, researchers, educators, and professionals. Excellent practical value, offers strong real-world usefulness despite limitations. And that's it. TechTricksGh, teaching tricks and techniques in IT and design. Subscribe to give us a reason to do more.